This time on building terminology, membrane. Membrane has quite a few different definitions, but they all basically mean the same thing, and that is that a membrane is a barrier that is impervious to moisture. Other words, it doesn't let moisture pass through it. The barrier can be made up of a single part, or it could be part of a multi-part system. Probably the most common place that we would see it in residential construction is the thin pliable sheet that we use underneath our concrete to stop the moisture coming up into our concrete slab. But it is also quite commonly used to waterproof roofs or waterproof walls of underground buildings or basements. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.